What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So hello, my name is just Drea. In today's video I am going to be styling a synthetic unit that I got from ReadyWig.com. So this is the box that it came in. It looks just like this. I absolutely love this wig. I've been meaning to review this wig for a while, but as you guys know, I've been rocking a lot of protective styles, like mostly braids and stuff like that. And also I live in Vegas, so it's been pretty hot and it has not been the right time to throw on a wig. But now that the temperature is kind of dropping, now that we're going into fall, I feel like this wig will be the perfect wig for the fall time / back to school time. This is how the wig looks. It's this super pretty red unit. It's red, but it's not super bright. I feel like my lights are making it super bright, but this wig is beautiful. It has a lot of layers in it. It comes with lace in the front, so it's like a full lace wig in the front, and then in the back it comes with 2 combs right here, and then it also has adjustable straps in the back, and it also has a little bit of lace in the back as well if you want to put this unit up into a ponytail. So I'm just going to throw the wig on. I already applied my wig cap, so I'm just going to throw the wig on so you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it looks when you first apply it on. So it looks like this.
And
I did a pretty good job with my wig cap because I can't even like see it, so that's a good thing. So this is how it looks. So like I said, it comes with layers. I love the color. It's really beautiful. The wig is super full. I'll leave all the details down below to the wig, so make sure that you check the description boxes because this wig is popping. It is a full lace wig, so I can part it in the middle. So we can have something going on in the middle. Like this. So I mean, it's free parting. Like you can part anywhere. But I'm mostly gonna do like a side part. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue the wig down onto my head. I'm gonna be using my Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray just to hold the wig down into place. So bang.
yeah.
Can you turn the air on? I'm trying to melt my lace. I'm hot. Huh?
Okay.
I'm sweating. I'm trying to melt my lace and I have it melt off. I gotta try to figure out how to cut this because I can't be talking about what lace when is that lace right there, like clear as day. I see. We got this. How y'all be melting this lace? Like how? How did it be invisible? Cause I see mine clear as day. Oh my god. Y'all do this every day? Every day. Oh my god. Can you see it? I still see it. What lace? That lace. Okay. Maybe I can just apply like some makeup right there. Can't do this. Just look at this. I mean, I back up, you can't see it. I just look like I got a big ass forehead. That's fine. This is how the wig is looking right now. I love it. It has a bunch of layers in it, like I said, so it's perfect. It's good for a synthetic wig too. Like, you can't find too many wigs that even comes close to this. And let me know down below if you guys think that I need to improve on certain areas when it comes to trying to make the wig look more realistic on the hairline, because I am not the best at that, and I'm just gonna admit it, I'm not the best when it comes to that. So, are you feeling this color? Yay or nay? I love how it's like black at the roots and then has this little burgundy red effect at the bottom. I love her. Let me know if you're feeling this look. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and talk to me down below. I have a ton of other videos that I'm going to be posting this week. So shout out to ReadyWig.com for sponsoring this video. It's going to be this beautiful unit. And yeah, it's perfect. I love it. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.